special na Kat and Dina are still here in Choco Mucho with me. Even if we're not always gonna play together, I think at the end of the day, we both know that we've played alongside of each other and we've both grown together, and it's so nice to see how far we've come since college days.
For Maddie, sino magaling kumanta? Dina or Kat? Ikaw, sample.
No!
Sige na.
No!
Sige na.
That's actually good, but you can't even hold a note.
No, go. Go.
Go, just make a note, she'll copy it.
No, let's copy both.
Copy both?
Say,
You're making it hard for me.
Yeah.
Go, man.
Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax.
Wait, why are we singing notes? Why don't we sing a song?
Para bing balo.
Anong balabing balo
Tingnan
ba?
mo kasi lyrics.
I've been standing at the edge of the water. Who's the better singer, Kat or Dina?
Obviously me.
Dina.
Rewrite. I don't know the lyrics.
Oh,
yeah.
talaga.
For sure,
I cannot,
it's
no.
You need to eat ginger.